So we're here with Chris Cason from Blue Horseshoe, and what do you do at Blue Horseshoe, Chris?
I'm our CEO, so I do a lot of everything.
Tell us about Blue Horseshoe. Microsoft bought a lot of IP from Blue Horseshoe. It's a great vendor of ours, and
Yep.
so. But what do you do today, right?
So we have a lot of products in the supply chain area. So in developing those products through the years, Microsoft's acquired the warehousing and transportation products coming from the company that's shipping items. So we continue to have other products, product called Axle that is from the side of being the shipper. So if you are the person who owns the fleet of trucks or shipping from there, a collaboration platform in the supply chain to work with all your partners, whether they be customers or vendors. For 3PLs, we have a product that fits for doing their third-party billing, some of the uniquenesses that 3PLs face. So we have a whole supply chain suite of products that have a number of things for customers fulfilling their supply chain requirements.
And they also do consulting, right?
Absolutely. So we do implementations. We do implementations of really all of Dynamics. We do a lot of supply chain digital transformation, helping companies come and leverage a lot of the newer technologies through data analytics, AI, augmented reality, to try and do and really change their supply chain processes so that they can be, transformative with their customers and in their business.
You're a U.S. company, but where else are you located?
We have 4 locations in the U.S. and 1 location in Europe, which is in Amsterdam, just up the road from here. 1 train stop from where we're at here.
All right, but you do consulting all over Europe?
So yeah, we've done, just last year, I think we did consulting in 34 different countries, so really all over Europe. We also do some even through Asia Pac and a number of projects there too.
All right, and you come to these conventions a lot. How is your kind of take on this year?
It's really been nice. As you say, we do try and get to a lot of these because it really helps us really reach 2 sets of communities. One, the customers, let them know what we have, talk about what things we have, but really also talk about trends within the supply chain, because things are changing so quickly now that people don't understand all the things that they can take advantage of, and really being able to share what other best movers in the supply chain industry are doing so that other companies can take advantage of that.
Very nice. So what's kind of the big trends at the moment for supply chain?
Big trends within supply chain is there's a large movement of really moving towards taking all the data out there and making decisions based on that. So really trying to take some intelligence into the data that's out there, mining that data, understanding that. So if you think through the supply chain of the product moving the whole way, there's a lot of information that needs to go across, not just within your entity, but across all your people that you talk and work with. And so having that ability to do all those communications in a seamless way that is leveraging the information that's out there to make better choices. If you just think about a truck trying to drive and what's the traffic like, where are there issues, what's the best way to ship something, things that you can change along those lines. It's become much more of a dynamic environment than what used to be static of what people were doing within transportation.
All right, thank you so much for the talk.
Great, nice talking to you.